you speak English, you learn vocabulary, you learn idioms, yeah, and you learn so many sentence structure so that you can speak this language confidently. But at the end, when it's time to speaking this language, you get stuck and sometimes you forget word while speaking. So my friend, you are making mistake somewhere. Otherwise, why are you not able to speak this language? Yeah, we have to think about this. If somebody is here and he's not able to speak this language, it means there is something wrong. He's not able to understand that thing. Yeah. Today, so many people learn this language, they try to speak. And for this, what are they doing? They are learning vocabulary, they are learning advanced vocabulary. Yeah, and not only that, they every day they try to learn new idioms. My friend, idioms are important, but first see your language. Are you able to speak fluently? If you are not able to speak, so there is no need to learn new idioms or vocabulary, because in India majority of people know basic grammar rules, basic vocabulary, verbs, whatever it is in English. And if somebody, and in my opinion, if somebody know basic thing about any language, he at least can express their thoughts through that language. Yeah, but today so many people try to learn new things. Yeah, and they are not able to speak in a single sentence properly. Yeah, so I wanted to say this thing: practice English every day. Yes, so that you can decrease your mistake day by day. Today what is happening, so many people learn this language passively. Yeah, you must be thinking what this person is talking about passive learning. Yeah, there are two types of learning to learn any language. The first one is passive and second is active. When we speak or when we write something, at that time we are learning passive. But when we listen or when we try to remember anything, at that time we are trying to learn passively. And you know one thing very well: if somebody is learning passively, he will not be able to speak. Yeah, so out of 100%, majority of people learning this language by passively. Yeah, 99% we are trying to learn 99% people are trying to learn this language passively. Yeah, and that's why they took a long while to speak this language. Yeah, so in one sentence I want to say, eventually out of 100%, learn 90% passively and 10% no 90 learn 90% actively and 10% passively. Yeah, and see the result. Yeah, within a month you will able to speak this language confidently, and you will not feel hesitation whenever you talk with people. Yes, so only this far I want to come, because this video is going lengthen. This video is going lengthy, and I don't want that this video is so long. Bye bye.